Hello mga ka-basic. So for today's lesson, we're going to have radical equations. So we're going to solve for x. So how we're going to solve? Like for example, number 1, cube root of 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. Then yung number 2, we have the square root ni 4x minus 7 is equal to 5. So basic na basic lang po iyan, no, yung pagsosolve ng radical equation. So ganito po yung gagawin natin. The first thing that we're going to do is just, so let's say, copy muna natin cube root of 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. Then both sides of the equation, ayan, i-cube natin siya to cancel out. Okay? So next one, we have 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 cube is equal to 27. Then, what we're going to do is to transpose negative 5 to the right side of the equation. So, we have 2x is equal to 27. Then, we have negative 5, so magiging positive 5. Then, we have 2x is equal to 27 plus 5 is 32. Then divide both sides of the equation by 2. So therefore, x is equal to what? 32 divided by 2 is 16. So therefore, the value of x, no, doon sa ating radical equation cube root 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 is x is equal to 16. Then number 2, we have the square root ni 4x minus 7 is equal to 5. So same procedure. So we have square root ni 4x minus 7 is equal to 5. Then squared natin both sides of the equation. So cancel yon. So we have 4x minus 7 is equal to, ang 5 squared is 25. Then lipat yun sa kabila. So we have 4x is equal to 25 plus 7. Then it is equal to 4x is equal to 25 plus 7 is equal to 32. Then divide both sides of the equation by 4. Then x is equal to 8. So therefore, ang value ng x natin dito sa square root ni 4x minus 7 equals 5 is 8. So, ganun lang kadali mga ka-basic ang pagsosolve ng radical equation. So, solve for the value of x. Bye mga ka-basic. See you again sa ating next video.